Hello, this is Ashley Jamerson coming to you from Cornelius, North Carolina, and I'm here with Katie Seagle of Summit Funding, and she is going to go over the FHA203k program. This is an awesome program for someone who is having issues securing a move-in ready house, and there's lots of inventory out there that might need a little work, and she's going to describe how this awesome program can help you find and create that dream home that you're looking for.
And that's the way to put it. Let's say you find a home and it's not that you're in love with, but it's got some good bones to it. So let's say you wanted to update the kitchen with granite, new appliances, new flooring. What else can you do? You could turn a carport into a room if you wanted to, or add a bathroom. These loans allow you to customize the house to your liking. So I know inventory is low right now, so let's say you find a home that you want some repairs to. This is a great loan to do. It's 3.5% down of your completed value. So let's say you find a home for $200,000, but you want to make $50,000 in repairs. You would put 3.5% down of $250,000.
Okay.
It does require a down payment. Sellers can pay your closing cost, which is amazing.
That's really good.
The credit score limit is around 640, so we do require that. But the nice thing is you can really make it a home of your own.
Yeah, that's awesome. I know that it's been a really tough cookie sometimes finding those move-in ready homes. There's no area requirements or there's no income requirements. It's basically FHA with that rehab on top of it.
Right, it's a total rehabilitation loan, kind of like a construction loan. You would complete the construction after closing, so the house would be yours. You could actually live in it if it's inhabitable, and do the construction while you're living in it if you want. So, and you can construct for 6 months, up to 6 months.
Oh wow! Okay. You can build a brand new house in 6 months. So you can make your future home very pretty. So if you have any questions about the program, I'm going to stick Katie's information down below. Start the loan application, give her a call, and then I will help you find a house that needs some work, and we can use this awesome program. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me. My contact information is below as well, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye.
Bye.